Edwin Sifuna was in Meru today.
Yes.
Ni kama anaanza kufollow playbook ya Kasongo ya 2022.
Anaanza kukua
Church after church.
Sinikwambia juzi.
Yes.
Eti Kasongo aliseta huko kanisani.
Yes.
Na huko kunoma kurudi kuconvince watu.
Ni kama
sasa huyu jamaa amefollow the script.
Viewers, yesterday Edwin Sifuna was in Ruiru in a church.
Yes.
Where a new bishop was being ordained in Pefa Church.
Yes.
Leo akasema akaingia huko Meru.
Akaingia Meru.
Amekuwa kanisa.
Ameanza kufuata hiyo script vile iliandikwa.
Na ni kama Kasongo ameacha kanisa na Sifuna ameingia kwa kanisa.
Kwa Kasongo ni ngumu sana kuconvince watu wa
kanisa. And you know also for Mzee Raila Odinga, he was not into that church line. Hakuanga sana into that line.
Kupenda hiyo church sana.
Yeah.
Church kuna mambo mingi bro.
Yes.
Na hiyo ukishamwaga damu huko nje kurudi church inakuwa tatizo.
Yes.
So Kasongo alipata I was like that he was blessed that church will support, but the second round is very hard.
Yeah, and it seems Edwin Sifuna ameona kuna gap hapo.
Kuna gap, then church is like wamemkaribisha by nature.
Yani church wanampenda.
Because he has nothing on him itafanya mzuia.
Because today let me read this. The pastor in Meru alisema I like Sifuna kwa sababu yeye ni mjasiri. Yeye ni mtu mjasiri.
That's very much important.
The pastor himself said. Na wakamkaribisha Meru na akakuwa na church service huko na pia akaenda na group yake ya vijana, kaambia watu wa Meru wamsupport 2027. Wasimdanganye tu alafu anapata kura chini ya 10,000.
Sasa automatically ujasiri yake tena ni ile kitu ambayo inaonekana.
Yes.
Then the consistency part of it.
Yeah. You know,
being standing with one thing and it is truthful and standing with people.
Yes.
And you are doing it every day. Hakuna mahali tumeona at least amerudi chini. Hakuna mahali tumeona at least kuna mwenye anajaribu kumcompromise vitu kama hizo juu. I know very many people wamejaribu kufanya 1 2 3 things.
Yes.
But hawajafaulu. So he's a man to stand with.
So Boss Jesolo.
Yes.
As days go, it seems that Sifuna may be winning this church vote.
A church vote
yenye nisaidia
because if we
unakumbuka Ruto akilia kwa kanisa tu mpige magoti
sana.
Alikuwa analia.
Sana lakini saa hizi hiyo gap naona Sifuna amesafiri. I think Sifuna is also having very good advisors.
Yes.
And those people are really smart. They're really working.
And you know he is taking his chances because ukimwona vile anatembea ameenda Ruiru, Kiambu, ndio hiyo tena Komeru. So it's like watu walikuwa wanasema ameisha ati anaogopa nini.
Hata sikuisha.
Like he is moving everywhere.
Then there is another thing I'm realizing.
Yes.
It's like the team of Linda Wananchi, they have sat down, they have decided that Sifuna is going to be there.
Yes.
If you want to know that,
yes,
they don't counter him on whatever he's doing.
He's doing
They're leaving him to do it because you know, if in Linda Wananchi they could also do the same thing.
Yes.
Kuna vile watakuwa na it's like when you counter me, I counter you, so it makes sense.
Yes.
But unapata they give him chance. Unaona hiyo mambo na ile dialogue ilikuwa huko Uhuru Park.
Yes.
Unakumbuka ile dialogue?
Yes.
They left him.
Yeah, walimwacha
kae. Wanataka kuja juu vizuri.
Yeah.
At least wakimpea leadership itampea nafasi ya kuventure vizuri.
But Boss Jesolo,
yes,
Sifuna anasukuma kuliko Kalonzo Matiang'i.
That's true.
Because in this little space yenye ameanza kukuja, he is moving everywhere than even our watu wenye wanasema wanataka kuwa presidential candidate.
I'm telling you Sifuna.
Yes.
It's a very big threat to this politics.
Yes, because
I change the narrative, then when I realize anafunika watu.
Viewers, welcome to One Gold Brain. My name is Omar Brian and with
Boss Jesolo.
Remember to subscribe, like and share. This is the heartbeat of political analysis.
And keep the heart beating.
Boss Jesolo,
yes,
there is also another card that Sifuna is playing that he was very key in Meru.
Yes.
And I think it's something that we have not spoken about.
Yes.
There was a friend of Raila from Meru.
Yes.
Mwenye pia Sifuna alienda kutembelea.
Yes. Can I focus?
Yes.
Who knows the friends? Wazee walikuwa wanasema kitambo kuwa yes, anayejua marafiki ya baba yako ni wewe.
Ni wewe.
Na marafiki wa baba yako watakupenda zaidi ya ndugu ya baba yako.
So Sifuna
there's a son Raila.
Yes.
So he knows many friends of Raila.
Yes.
That Oburu might not even know.
Yeah, because he was working with him.
He was working so
all the time.
Advantage ni kina babu wa kunana ndio babu na Sifuna hawa jamaa walikuwa wandani wa Raila sana.
Yeah, in then, terms of campaigns hizo vitu zingine za babu
ya kwa pia walikuwa vijana walikuwa wanatembea sana.
Yes.
So kuna marafiki wengi sana wa Raila wenye hao ndio walikuwa wanajua.
Yes.
So ile loyalty
yes,
ya Raila
yes,
watapata.
Yeah, so Sifuna visited one of the friends of the late mzee.
You know,
And the friend also invited him and Sifuna thanked him on X, akamwambia mzee, asante, nimekuja, umetualika, tulitembea na baba na hapa kwako. So I'm trying to think about, it seems that Sifuna kadi zenye anacheza, even this Linda ground are not playing the same game.
you know,
Yes.
saizi watu Linda ground wanakumbuka.
Yes.
The thing they don't know is that akina Sifuna wanajaribu kurudi kwa roots.
Kutafuta network.
Baba network yake iko wapi?
Yes.
Na hizi network ni hao wanajua.
Yes.
So that's why I'm telling you, hata ile mambo tulikuwa tunazungumzia last time eti kutoa wale staff wa Raila.
Yes.
These people are the only people who knows the networks
Yes.
of Raila.
Yes.
So it's like una approved ODM. Unajua you can have the ODM certificate and yet people will believe you have ODM. But the roots of ODM, yenye inafanya hiyo ODM iko ODM.
Yeah.
Kina Sifuna.
Yes.
Wamerudi chini, wamekuwa so humble mpaka wanarudi kwa grassroots kutafuta wale wazee ambao Raila alikuwa na waona.
Yeah.
Wale wachache wenye Raila alikuwa anajua kwa grassroots.
Yes.
So this one will help them to strengthen whatever they will have.
Yes.
If in case ODM falls apart.
Yeah, and also wako very creative in a way that wanasema hawatatoka kwa chama, watasimama hapo mpaka mwisho, lakini they are going to counter whatever the other group is doing.
That's why I'm telling you,
Yes.
it is now bringing another confusion.
Yeah.
These people expected that they will
Leave and form their party.
They form their party.
But wamekataa.
But with them, if these people are not going to humble themselves and that's so that they can talk,
Yeah.
they will counter whatever these people are going to do.
Yeah.
If these people are going to call the NDC,
Yes.
they are going to call the NDC.
Yeah, umesikia Osotsi amesema yao pia itakuwa hiyo siku. Yeah. Hao watakuwa wanafanya, hao wanafanya.
I just like because at the end of the day, you will. So which ODM is going to be ODM? I'm really
Now
tired.
ODM is 52. So Oburu is not wise enough for consolidating
Raila
team
was
into one.
so much mysterious in that. After 27
Yes.
of this month, I don't know what we're going to have as ODM.
I think it's just going to be a mix up because hiyo kwanza 27th ina depend on vitu mingi. The tribunal results za tribunal zita affect
Yes.
the 27th.
Yes.
Na pia hao bado pia watasema ndio hata tribunal ikisema alitolewa vizuri na they go and do what they want to do,
This is
still
wrong.
there will be another problem. Hao watu wanawasumbua na wanasema hao bado pia ni member.
Sasa waende wachague party leader yao.
Yes.
Wachague secretary, wabaki ya secretary general.
Watachagua
Wale
ya
wana-
group ya.
Because for it also to be wakuwe na ile legitimacy,
Yes.
lazima watabakisha Sifuna kama SG. Ndio onekane ile ODM original liko.
Yeah, true.
Na nani abaki deputy party leader.
Yes.
Then hapo katikati watengeneze hizo nini.
Position zingine.
And that's why I'm telling you, I know, even if Professor is saying that it's tired,
Yeah.
this is now where we need him.
Professor need to come in.
If he comes in, we give him the party
Leader. Yeah.
Then let me tell you,
Yes.
the people's heart
Yes.
will be won.
And I tell you, these guys are playing a very long game.
You know, hii game, you can, ndio maana unaona, kuna wakati Nyong'o alikuwa anaandika kwa Twitter, anataka sana watu waungane.
Yes.
But the moves, this way kuna mjamaa alikuwa anasema eti Millie Odhiambo ametuma wake sijui nini. Kuna
Yeah.
watu ambao roho yao iko.
Alaya anasema ni kama Millie Odhiambo weekend anamrepresent kwa Linda Mwananchi.
So if you want to know the truth,
Yes.
on that 27th a lot of things can happen.
But I know Millie Odhiambo will not go there. Millie Odhiambo labda tu kiumani atajaribu kubaki na the original team.
You know
Millie Odhiambo is from Homa Bay, right? Suba is in Homa Bay.
Suba is in Homa Bay County.
Yeah.
There is one thing I want to tell you,
Yeah.
which I don't want to lie to you.
Yes.
One very much important thing in politics.
Yes.
You don't play politics without spies.
Yes.
I'm very sorry to say this on live.
Yes.
Because if we know very well that Millie is a very good friend to Bob, personal level.
Yes.
If you want to know anything which is going on in the government or in ODM in the ground,
Yes.
we need our people in the government.
Yes.
So Millie is not going to live there. Millie is going to remain there.
Yeah.
But we will cater for her at the right time.
Yeah.
And I'm very sorry to say this because I know some people were not looking in that direction.
Yeah.
So we know Millie belongs to us, but let him do whatever he's doing in the ground.
Okay.
It's good for us.
Okay.
And we will always love her. Even hata kama ni kura ya Suba, atapata kura atarudi.
Viewers, there you have it. Please subscribe, like, and share. This is the Heartbeat of Political Analysis, and we bring you analysis each day of the week. What's the solo? Maybe a final word.
Final word, what I can just say, let us wish the team Linda Wananchi all the best as they plan battle with the other old teams. You know, this is the only team whereby we have the youngest generation.
Yeah.
So we will wish them well.
Okay.
Whatever come their way, be it a win, be it a lose, to us we'll count it as a win because they are starting from scratch. Things financial, they are down, they're still young, hawajatengeneza mamilioni ya pesa. There is a lot, they're meeting their networks now. So as a good analyzer, I would always say that let us wish them all the best, and that's from Boss Jasolo.